Drowning in unread WhatsApp chats? What if AI could summarize them for you in seconds? Stick around to discover WhatsApp's game-changing new feature that's rolling out now. You won't believe how easy it is to stay on top of your messages. Hey GadInsider fam! Welcome back to your go-to channel for the latest tech updates. Today we're diving into WhatsApp's brand new AI-powered feature that summarizes your unread chats. Perfect for when you're swamped and can't read every message. Let's break it down and see how it works. WhatsApp just dropped a feature powered by Meta AI that lets you summarize unread messages in a snap. Imagine this, you've got 50 unread messages in a group chat. Instead of scrolling through, just tap the summarize button above the chat and boom, AI gives you a quick rundown of what you missed. This feature is rolling out to English-speaking users in the US starting today. And here's the best part. It's totally private. Meta's private processing tech ensures neither WhatsApp nor Meta sees your messages or summaries. Plus, no one else in the chat knows you used it. Here's the catch. It's off by default, so you've got to turn it on. Super easy. Go to Settings, click on Chats, then click on Private Processing and toggle on the AI summaries. That's it. Now you're ready to catch up on chats without the hassle. This builds on Meta's AI tech from April, and it's all about giving you control. Want to skip the summaries? No problem, just keep it off. Whether you're juggling work, school, or just a crazy group chat, this feature is a lifesaver. It saves time, keeps you in the loop, and respects your privacy. Honestly, it's like having a personal assistant for your WhatsApp. So, what do you think of WhatsApp's AI summarizer? Are you excited to try it, or sticking to reading every message? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you love staying ahead of the tech game, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell for more GadInsider updates.